Sunshine Preschool Shows, the home of preschools that parent and kids can share together.
Hi, my name is Joels, and I'm the creator of the channel called Sunshine Preschool Shows. We also have Instagram and TikTok accounts with the same name, Sunshine Preschool Shows. Be sure to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated with our content. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can catch all our latest content on our channel. I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you there.
Stello Spark and Friends is made possible by Sunshine Preschool Shows, Dino-Mite Studios, and Child Garden Studios, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Come along, let's go. With Stello Spark, there's so much to know. We shine, we play, we laugh, we learn. Every day's a big new turn. Fudgy, Stello Spark and friends, hooray! We sparkle, we shine, we save the day. With giggles, games, and sunny skies. Adventure time, sparkling eyes. Zoom through stars, we're flying high. With friends by your side, you can touch the sky. We help, we care, we always share. There's magic and fun everywhere. With Stello Spark and friends, hooray! We sparkle, we shine, we save the day. With giggles, games, and sunny skies. Adventure times. Yeah, yeah! Yeah!
The colorful day.
Yay! Hi friends, me, Stello Spark. Today's going to be a colorful day. Do you want to come learn about colors with us? Awesome, let's go!
Stello, look! I found a red flower. What color is this?
That's red. Can you say red? Wow, you're so smart.
Let's open to find colors too. Oh, I see a blue butterfly.
Let's make a game. We'll find colors and you can help us name them.
Red, blue, color green. Let's find colors everywhere we see. Look to the left, look to the right. Colors are shining so big and bright. What color is this? It's red. It's red.
What color is this? It's blue instead.
What color is this? It's yellow like the sun.
What color is this? Green is
We love colors, yes we do.
And we love learning with all of you.
Oh no, my picnic blanket is missing some colors. Can you help me find red, blue, and green?
Well, I see red over there, blue over there, and oh, I see green. Can you say it too? All right.
Red. Blue.
Green.
You did it. You help us find all the colors. Let's remember our colors.
a red apple, a blue butterfly, a yellow flower, and a green leaf. Can you say it with me? Red, blue, green. Good job, superstars. Today, we learned all about colors and how fun it is to work together. Goodbye, friends. See you next time on
Stello Spark and Friends.
Bye. It's time for Stello music.
Music's always inside my head. It's all day long till I go to bed. I hear the wind through the trees, the buzzing of the bees, the rumbling of the train, the bitter patter of the rain. Can you hear it? I hear music everywhere. Everybody, can you hear it? It's the sound that fills the air. It's I hear music everywhere. If you listen, you hear the sound. The sound of music is all around. I hear the birds sing the song in the daylight, and the frogs and the crickets play the rhythm of the night. Can you hear it? Listen up, I hear music everywhere. Everybody, can you hear it? It's the sound of the air. Yes, I hear music everywhere. Can you hear it? I hear music everywhere. I hear music everywhere. Everybody, can you hear it? It's the sound of the air. Yes, I hear music everywhere.
Here's some sounds I can make. Moo. What sounds can you make? Here's something I can do. Snap, clap, wink, hop, make a silly face, cartwheel. What can you do?
Lots more party, Stello Spark, and fun. Visit our channel.
On YouTube, the home of preschoolers.
Sunshine Preschool Shows.
On Sunshine Preschool Shows,
When a magical princess appears from the pages of a storybook,
Where am I?
it's up to Barney and his friends to use their imaginations and help her find her way home.
Hi, Barney. Hi, everybody.
Now you can journey into the land of make-believe.
In the land of make-believe, you can meet almost anybody.
Like me.
And discover that no matter who you are or where you go, anything can happen as long as you use your imagination.
Anything can happen, anything can be, anything can happen in the land of make-believe.
Bring home Barney's biggest adventure ever, filmed on location at Universal Orlando Resort. And you could meet a beautiful mermaid,
Hello.
dancing dolphins, and a marvelous magician.
Sizzling salamanders.
Barney's Land of Make-Believe. You can be part of an adventure as big as your imagination.
On YouTube, the home of preschoolers.
He's lovable. He's purple. He's an international TV star. And now, he's live in concert. Barney is back. Your whole family is invited to Barney Live in Concert Birthday Bash. It's time to sing, dance, laugh, and have fun with your whole family and all of your friends. Barney live in concert birthday bash.
In Waiting for Santa, Barney and all of the backyard gang take their new friend Derek on an exciting adventure to Santa's workshop at the North Pole.
The reason we've come is because Derek is afraid he's not on Santa's list this year.
Oh, Santa would never forget you.
And please don't forget, this is your last opportunity to own this Barney classic. So join Barney and the gang as they sing along to your favorite holiday songs in Waiting for Santa.
With great Christmas cheer, may the weather be clear, and your friends always near. Now let's be on our way as we fly in the sleigh. Is that Santa I hear?
This is too long, I fear. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So long.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
New from Lyric Studios.
Does Barney live in a big house? Who's Barney's neighbor? Mommy, where does Barney live?
Now you can come on over to Barney's house.
Welcome to my house, good friends. Now is when the fun begins. Adventures are here, as you will see. Anything can happen, anything can be. There's quite
You'll need some new friends.
This is Nick, and this is Debbie.
Something that you should
And some familiar faces.
Keep your sneeze to yourself.
You'll hear some familiar songs as you've never heard or seen them before.
Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be?
New songs that will make you laugh.
A sour pickle face. That's right, a sour pickle face.
Make you sing.
We just love to watch him play.
And make you dance.
Everybody start twisting and turning. We'll have a lot of fun while we're learning to do the dino dance.
Come on over to Barney's house for more surprises and more fun than ever. Come on over to Barney's house on VHS and DVD from Lyric Studios, the home
and
of
Sunshine Preschool Show.
Entertainment.